Businesses across the world are rapidly integrating AI into their operations to stay competitive. In South Africa, almost 46% of businesses are incorporating AI into their strategies. Plus, South African tech companies are leading in the development of AI technologies, just like their Silicon Valley competitors, due to generous international funding. Imagine being able to hold a conversation with AI, or having it make dinner reservations for you. Let's take it a step further and imagine appointing AI to a company's board of directors, a robo CEO if you'd like, or even AI employees. Well, imagine no more. AI is being used to automate administrative tasks and eliminate bias in the recruitment process. Another exciting and very real AI creation is that of Vital AI, an AI bot that a Hong Kong venture capitalist fund recently appointed to its board of directors. I don't know about you, but it seems very likely that the AI of Steven Spielberg's movies is becoming very, very real. The blueprint for the creation of intelligent AI is the human mind. One of the prized abilities of humans is that of decision making. This is very powerful because if AI can make decisions, then it can get involved in the tasks that require decisions. Consider the near future in which AI will be negotiating and entering into contracts. It makes you wonder. It makes you wonder what the experience would be like when interacting with AI. Will you be able to tell the difference between AI and a human? Would you want to contract with AI? What happens if something were to go wrong? What if you were to enter into a contract that you didn't want to be part of, or that you didn't really want to enter into in the first place? An interesting example is that of an AI-powered smart car where the entire relationship, or contractual relationship rather, is governed by AI, from the purchase of the vehicle to its maintenance and later to the sale of the vehicle. When contracting with AI, you would contract to buy the car. If you don't pay the installments, AI would not allow you to start or drive the car. If you drive recklessly, AI will adjust your insurance premium based on the live data of how you drive. If you were to sell the car, AI would upload the details to an ad website. You would receive purchase payment from the AI. Ownership changes would be done by the AI, and the person would collect the car without you being involved. Normally, the best way to answer these questions is to look at what the law says. While there isn't a consolidated body of laws that apply to AI internationally, several countries have adopted strategies to regulate AI. However, none of these countries have dealt specifically with the question of whether AI can rather enter into contracts. The US has legislated on facial recognition AI, whereas the EU has created a draft body of laws that will deal with AI. However, neither of these are in effect within the context, or rather within the context of contracting AI. This is worrying because similar AI is already in the market. LawGeeks AI is a contract review service that detects risks in non-disclosure agreements better than human lawyers. And even if the contracting AI isn't on the market yet, do you think it would be wise for us to wait for it to do so? What would happen if something were to go wrong before we knew how to deal with it? Also, if AI is potentially interacting with humans from a sort of contracting point of view, it's important that we know how the law will deal with this event. There are some laws in South Africa that could be extended to apply to AI that could enter into contracts. For example, the Electronic Communications and Transaction Act refers to electronic agents which can enter into agreements on behalf of humans or companies. However, our courts have not yet dealt with this question or interpreted this legislation to apply to AI. Another example is PAPIA, which deals with automated decision making. When an automated decision is taken involving a human being, certain legal conditions need to be met for the transaction to be valid. However, again, our courts have not interpreted this legislation to apply to AI. In my view, Parliament will have to address these questions in the future before humans suffer due to unregulated AI. Also, A few legal issues relating to AI need to be brought before our courts so that we can have clarity. I don't think it's responsible for us to leave AI to chance unless we want the science fiction imaginings to come true. If you have any further questions, let us know how Michalsons can help you.